loves, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. Here in this channel we talk about relaxed hair care, hair growth tips, protective styling, and so much more concerning the hair topic in general. So if you know you're interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing to join the family. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys a huge announcement. So I've been getting so many requests over the last couple of months to set up some kind of classes, coaching, either one-on-one or group classes. And the reason why I have not done that ever since is because of my schedule, guys. If you guys watch my vlogging channel, you already know why combining my 9 to 5 with 2 YouTube channels, it's not really easy, and I didn't want to start something I can't finish. So that's why all this time I have not started any form of classes, coaching and all that. But yeah, it is finally here, the highly requested classes, coaching and all that, right? So what I'm going to be offering is like a one-on-one class, consultation or coaching. So yeah, it's like a one-on-one coaching, and I initially wanted to make it Zoom, but for now we are just going to stick with Instagram. So the sections are going to be going on Instagram. Yes, it's going to be a chat section. Maybe later on as we progress, I'm going to come up with video classes, Zoom classes, maybe even group classes. But for starters, we are going to be going with one-on-one coaching. So like I said, this is going to be taking place on Instagram. So there are going to be different categories of this section: a 30-minute session, 1 hour section, 2-hour session. So you are going to choose whatever is more comfortable for you, and you can do this as many times as you want, and you can do this every day if you have the time and if you have the money, because girls, it's not going to be free, okay? So yeah, the sections come with a charge, but not that much, but I'm going to be displaying it on the screen. So the price for the 30-minute session is different from the 1-hour session and the 2-hour session, so you can choose the section you want according to how much you can afford or according to how much information you need, because if you need much more information, you are going to have to book for a longer session. So the procedure for booking these sections is actually not hard. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram and send me a DM on Instagram saying you are interested in my hair sessions. Then from there we discuss, we pick a session you want, and then we book the session for a day that is comfortable, conducive for both of us. So since the rates are in dollars, the price is going to differ depending on your currency. So if you are in Nigeria and you want to use Naira, it's actually going to be affected with the current rate. So if you are using a separate currency from dollars, the price may have to fluctuate a little, like the amount you paid for last week's session may not be the same amount you pay for the next session. It just depends on the current rate of exchange. So that's it for the one-on-one coaching. If you have any more questions, you can reach me on my Instagram. Like I said, make sure you follow me on Instagram, then send me a DM say you want to schedule a one-on-one class session, and then we'll book your section from there. So yeah guys, this was not really easy doing this. Like I said, combining a 9 to 5 with 2 YouTube channels is not easy, but I still said I'm going to try and create time for my girls, you know, so that we can hit our hair goals together. I know we all have new goals, new resolutions, which includes our hair goals as well. I personally have goals for this year, which I'm going to share with you guys in another video, so please just stay tuned for that. So with these sections and with these classes, I hope we'll be able to attain our hair goals faster, know what our hair loves, know the right products, the right regimens, the right protective styles, how long we should stretch our relaxers, because like I always say in my videos, everyone's hair is different. The fact that someone's regimen worked for her hair and made her hair long and healthy does not mean that it will work for you. You have to refine and adjust that regimen to suit your hair needs, your hair type, your hair porosity, even your hair density, because the way you are going to manage your hair if you have low density hair is going to be different for when you have high density hair. The type of protective styles you install when you have high density hair may actually be disastrous when installed on low density hair. So everyone's hair type is different. So on these classes, we are going to be taking it more individual, like more personal. Everything is going, all the tips, all the routines, all the products, all the recommendations are going to be individualized based on your hair type, your hair porosity, your hair regimen and all that. Even if you don't know anything about your hair right now, your hair type, your hair density, like you don't know anything, you don't even know your hair porosity, having these one-on-one sections will actually make you know your hair more and know what your hair actually needs. And most times when we ask questions on the internet, like under comment sections on YouTube videos and all that, the answer you get may be kind of generalized compared to when the person giving you the reply knows your hair, like your current hair want. And that's why sometimes when I get comments on my videos, I try to get more information, like the relevant details concerning your hair that is going to influence the answer and all that. So yeah guys, whatever your hair struggles, your hair problems, your hair worries, you don't have to keep them to yourself anymore. You don't have to worry, you don't have to be confused about what regimen you have to take, what products to use, what protective style to install, how long you should stretch your relaxers. All these things are going to be answered during the one-on-one sections. And like I said, you can book the sections as many times as you want, but the maximum per each section is 2 hours and the minimum for each section is 30 minutes. So 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, those are the 3 categories for the duration of the sections. And another thing is, when you book a section and you've had a previous section with me before, it will actually be very easy to track your goal, track your progress, to know where we are coming from, to see how much progress we have made, and to sort of track your progress so far since the section started. So like I said, these are the rates. Feel free to reach me on Instagram to book your section. So yeah guys, that's it for the huge announcement. If you are happy with the news, don't forget to like the video. If you are new here and you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing to join the family, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my DM. Bye.